law of motion, law of motion, लॉ ऑफ मोशन देखेंगे। ठीक है, लॉ ऑफ मोशन मीन्स मैकेनिक्स के अंदर में हम लोग दो पार्ट पढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट स्टैटिक्स, सेकंड डायनेमिक्स। उसके बाद डायनेमिक्स के अंदर दो पार्ट आता है, काइनेमेटिक्स, काइनेटिक्स। ये सब में क्या डिफरेंस है? इन स्टैटिक्स मैकेनिक्स ओनली बॉडी इज कंसिडर्ड इन स्टैटिक्स कंडीशन, सो हियर मोशन इज restricted. Motion is restricted, okay? And in dynamics motion is happening, okay? In kinematics we study the motion of particle without considering the force applied on the body. In kinetics we study the cause of motion. When a body is in motion, then cause of motion we study, okay? Kinematics, in kinematics mass, force and momentum like term come. Without considering the cause of motion, here kinetics we consider the cause of motion, okay? In this kinematics we only study velocity, acceleration, displacement, that's all. In kinetics we study considering its mass, force, momentum, energy, okay? ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले स्टैटिक्स पढ़ना होता है, उसके बाद डायनेमिक्स। In statics FBD, free body diagram, is more important in a statics condition, okay? What is FBD? FBD consists of a diagrammatical representation of a single body or a subsystem of bodies isolated from its surrounding, showing all the forces exist on the body. Means if it is wall, one is wire, here is ball. FBD means we have to isolate our body, and after isolate that body, all the forces which are acting on that body is represented, and that diagrammatical representation is known as FBD. Means here if we isolate ball, here tension is T, okay? Here contact force means normal force N, okay? Here normal force acting in this direction, On the plane the normal force direction is this, and on the ball normal force direction is this. Okay, and one of its mass acting mg. Okay, ball of mass m. Then this is FBD of ball. Okay, it is a diagrammatical representation of a single body by showing all the forces which are acting on that body. This is known as FBD. Okay, all the statics problem we have to solve by this method. Okay, FBD in statics. After drawing FBD of system, after this apply equilibrium condition. Okay, equilibrium condition to make body in a stable position. No equilibrium condition. How to make equilibrium condition? First, coplanar forces coplanar means in one plane. Coplanar forces mean forces in a one plane. This is F1, F2, F3. If this is forces in a single plane, then how we make equilibrium for this system? To make equilibrium for coplanar forces, all the forces in x direction 0, in y direction 0, and moment of this system about any axis. Let axis is here. Any axis make 0. Moment about any axis is equal to 0. After applying these three conditions, the coplanar forces of a system become equilibrium. Okay. For second, concurrent forces. Concurrent forces means force are passing through a single point. F1, F2, F3. Okay. Let's point is A. If forces is passing through a single point in a plane, then we said this a concurrent force system. In this system, we make equilibrium by forces equating equal to 0 in a x-axis and y-axis direction. 0 in y direction, 0. Here moment is automatically become 0 because all the forces passes through a single point. If we calculate moment about in this axis, then all the perpendicular distance from this axis to all the forces are 0. Hence the moment of all the forces of this system is automatically become 0. So in this concurrent force system, we have only applied two condition in forces in x direction 0 and in y direction 0 to make equilibrium. Okay. Now let's solve a problem 1, statics. And B against a smooth vertical wall, the rod is uniform and the weight W. If the rod is in equilibrium in this position, so figure, find the frictional force 8A, normal reaction 8A and normal reaction 8B. Okay. In question given ladle is at 30 degree, weight of ladle is W. Okay. O, A, B. First we have find frictional force 8A. Frictional force 8A. दूसरा normal reaction 8A. Normal reaction 8A. Third, normal reaction 8B. Normal reaction 8B. Okay. First of all, we have make FBD of this ladle. Okay. W F X F Y F B. It is a smooth wall, so frictional force on the wall is not exist. Okay. Let moment at A is 0. Make moment about A is 0. The length of ladle is L. The length of ladle is L. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. Then OA is equal to L cos theta, L cos 30 degree. L cos 30 degree. Moment about A is 0 and OB is equal to L sin 30 degree. Moment about A means force and perpendicular to this means FB into L sin L 30 degree, and this is clockwise direction. This is clockwise moment due to FB, and due to W moment is anti-clockwise, so minus W into this much distance means half of OA. Half of OA means W into L cos 30 degree by 2 equal to 0. Moment for equilibrium, moment of this ladle is 0. Hence FV into L sin 30 equal to WL cos 30 by 2. Here sin 30 is 1 by 2, means this get cancelled, L and L get cancelled. Now FV is equal to W sin 30, means W, and sin 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means reaction at normal reaction at B is this root 3 by 2 W. Okay. Now we have to find frictional force at A. Frictional force at A. From this direction, if forces along x-axis make 0, means FB is equal to Fx. FB is equal to Fx. So frictional force at x is equal to root 3 by 2 omega. Okay, and normal reaction at A, Fy means normal reaction at A make forces in y direction equal to 0, means FV is equal to W. Okay. Then in this way we can solve a statics problem by making forces in x and y direction equal to 0 and moment about any axis is 0. Means Newton's second law. When a body is in motion, then the acceleration is directly proportional to the force applied. Newton's second law said that the acceleration of a moving body is directly proportional to the force applied. Means if we applied more forces, then body have more acceleration. Okay, so means Newton's law F equal to ma. Okay, if all body of a system have common acceleration, then we can find this by acceleration equal to net pulling force applied by net mass of system. Okay, this formula is more useful when solving problem Newton's law of motion, or the body, a system of body which are in motion, then acceleration can find by net pulling force and by net mass of this system. Let one example. M to M. This is frictionless pulley, frictionless and weightless. Okay, then what is the acceleration of this system? Acceleration of this system. The formula net pulling force by net mass of this system. Here the weight of 2m is 2 mg and mg. Okay, then net pulling force is 2 mg minus 1 mg, means net pulling force. The motion is take place in this direction and this goes up. So what is the net force which are acting on the mass of 2m body is 2 mg minus 1 mg equal to mg by net mass. The net mass of the system 2m plus m equal to 3m. Hence m and m cancel. Hence g by 3 is the acceleration of this system. Let's see another example. Four kg and 2 kg a force is applied of 20 newtons. Then what is the acceleration of this system? Okay, now acceleration is net pulling force. The net pulling force here is 20 newton and net mass of this system is 2 plus 4 6, and 10 by 3 meter per second square is acceleration of this system. Now if we have to find what is the normal reaction on the two body, okay, what is the normal reaction, or what is the force which are acting on 2 kg body? Okay, the 2 kg body here is moved due to its normal reaction. Okay, now apply free body diagram of 2 kg body. The motion of this body, the speed acceleration is this. Okay, now apply Newton's second law and equal to ma, and equal to ma. Here mass is 2 and acceleration is 10 by 3, hence 20 by 3 Newton force is applied on 2 kg body. Now let another example. Two kg. Let acceleration with A is moving. Here is pulley. For kg. Okay. Now, what is the acceleration of this system? The acceleration of a system is equal to net pulling force by net mass of the system. Net pulling force here is 4 kg. Here m mass is 4, then 4 into mg thus is 40 Newton. 40 Newton, and total mass of the system 2 kg and 4 6, hence 20 by 3 is the acceleration of the system. No, second condition when all bodies of a system has not a common acceleration, means if the body in a system have different acceleration. Let one example. Here, two bodies in a one system, one 1 kg and 2 kg. These two bodies have not a common acceleration in this system because their string connected with these two bodies are different. Here, their string is connected to this body is this length, and this second string is connected one second body is this. Hence, the string for both to these bodies are different, so the acceleration of these two bodies have different. Because let when the displacement of bodies of 1 kg is x, let bodies of displacement of x, then the displacement of this body is x by 2. When the displacement of 1 kg bodies is x meter, then the displacement of 2 kg bodies is x by 2. So, if acceleration of 1 kg bodies of A is A, then acceleration of 2 kg body is A by 2. Okay. Now, draw FBD of 1 kg and 2 kg bodies separately. For 1 kg, let motion in this direction, and here is tension T, okay, and motion is in this direction A, and here is mg, hence T plus ma equal to mg, equation 1. Here, if tension is T, T and T. If tension in a string is T, in this string is T, then tension in this string is 2T. Make FBDs of 2 kg bodies. Okay. Here acceleration is a by 2, hence 2t equal to 2 kg ma, means m a by 2. Here m is 2m, 2 kg, hence 2. Equation 2. Let's solve equation 1 and 2. Here m is 1 kg, hence T plus A equal to G, means 10, and here is 2 to cancel, 2T equal to A. T equal to A by 2, put here A by 2, A by 2, A plus 10, 3A by 2 equal to 10, hence acceleration is 20 by 3.